Hello guys, I barely have any time to film this room tour, but if you haven't seen my last video, I redid my room. It was a room makeover video, room transformation video. I will link it in the description box if you haven't seen it yet, but this week's video is my room tour, so welcome to my room. This is it. I don't know how to do this video. It's kind of awkward because my boyfriend's behind the camera. Alright, so if you come over here, this is my desk. All the furniture in here is from IKEA except for this shelf, which is from Home Depot, and then this mirror, which is from Kirkland's. But this is my desk. On top of it, I just have this little thing with all my makeup brushes in it. It is from TJ Maxx, and then my mirror over here is from Bed Bath & Beyond. And then this big mirror is just from an antique store. The chair is from Ross, and the pillow, I honestly don't know where it's from. It's like pretty old. And then I just have my laptop and my phone on here. In the first drawer, I just have some stationery supplies, pens, pencils, calculator, all that kind of stuff, sticky notes, tape. Just all my stuff that I need on a day-to-day basis is in the top drawer. The second drawer, I just have like all my markers and things that I use to do journaling, just all my like stationery supplies that I don't use on an everyday basis. So right here, I just have some crayons, and then in this little file organizer, I have all my Staedtler like fine liners and like really nice pens and stuff. And then I don't have anything in the two bottom drawers yet. And then in this side, I have all my makeup and beauty stuff. So in the first drawer, I have just like some eye stuff, my glasses, the little wallflower plug-in things, and some deodorant. So in the second drawer, I just have all my jewelry and sunglasses are back here. This is just all of my like watches, bracelets, and earrings. So in this drawer, I just have all my skincare stuff. So just all of my skincare stuff is in here. I have cotton balls, like makeup removers, and like creams, and then all my stuff I use on an everyday basis. And then in this drawer, I have all my makeup stuff. So I have all my eye stuff, my extra palettes, my palette I use every day, my eye stuff, and my face products. And then in the last drawer, I just have all my Bath & Body Works stuff. So all my sprays, lotions, creams, hand sanitizers, all that kind of stuff is in this drawer. Then next to my desk, I just have a trash can. I think it's from Bed Bath & Beyond. I'm not really sure, but it's just like gray, like marble or something. So this shelf is from Home Depot. I bought it, built it, and then I put all of my little decor on it. These little succulents are in little terracotta pots, and they are from Pier 1. I bought all 3 of them on sale. The next shelf, I just have all of my journals. I've always wanted to have all my journals with all the little tabs like on a shelf, but I've never had anywhere to put them. So I finally have all my journals and Bibles all in one space. And then this little mason jar just has some coins in it, and this doesn't have anything in it. So then on the next shelf, I have this real succulent. I planted 3 of them in here. This little pot is from At Home. And then this rock I found in my yard, and then this is a watch. And then I have this thing that my boyfriend made me that just says my name on it, and he welded this. Then on the next drawer, I just have my cameras, a little picture of my cat that passed away. I have a little, what's this called? Hourglass, and a candle from Bath & Body Works. And then on the next shelf, I just have these baskets that I got from Target, and then a blanket is in this one, and there's nothing in this one. So this is my favorite corner of the room. It's really pretty. I like it a lot. I put these string lights from Amazon. I put them like catty-cornered on the wall. I hung these 2 plants. This plant is from TJ Maxx, and this plant is from At Home. And then on this little metal table from IKEA, I have my diffuser. I have this aloe vera plant. His name is Albert. And then I have all my little essential oils in this basket that I think is really old. It's like my mom's from like a really long time ago. And then down there I just have a candle. So then I have this full-length mirror, like I said earlier, is from Kirkland's. And then I have this little planter stand, and it has this little spider plant in it. The planter stand is from Big Lots, I think. And then this little poof is from Target. I have this rug down here. I have 2 rugs down here actually. This rug is from TJ Maxx. It had a little something wrong with it. It just has a little thread coming out of it, but it was on sale because of that. And then I have the same rug over there beside my bed. And then I have this rug, which is the same one. And these are from Kmart, I believe. And then above the plant, I have this little thing that I made. And if you want to know how I made it and everything, go watch my last video. But it just holds all my necklaces and rings on it. And then this is a little macrame thing that I got from, I think, Bargain Hunt, but I don't really know for sure. Okay, and then we have my Alex 9 drawer. Every YouTuber or beauty guru has this, basically. But I have this lamp. I think it's from Dollar General, but I took the lampshade off because I thought it just looked better with just the like light bulb itself. And then I have this felt letterboard from Amazon, and it just says, "It always seems impossible until it's done." And I say that in a lot of my videos just because that's my favorite quote. And then I have this little Bath & Body Works candle that is Peach Bellini, and this little sample-sized perfume that my grandmother gave me that I don't use, but I think it looks cute, so that's why that's there. So in the first drawer, I have nothing. In the second drawer, I have nothing. And then in the third drawer, I have all my nail polish stuff to do my nails. And in this drawer, I have all of my scrunchies. I just bought all of these, and I'm really proud of myself because now I have one for every outfit. And the next drawer, I have all my little hair ties, hair pins, hair clips, and my brushes. The next drawer, I have all my hot tools, my blow dryer, and all that stuff is in there. And then in the next drawer, I just have all my hair products and some like leftover makeup from like a makeup set. And then in this drawer, I just have all of my extra makeup bags and little bags for when I travel. And then in the last drawer, I just have all of my tripods, headphones, adapters, CDs. This is basically my electronic drawer. So yeah. Okay, so in this corner, it's kind of boring. It's just a corner of my room that I didn't know what to do with. Basically, in the window, I just have this picture frame from, I think, Walmart or something. I printed out all these photos. My printer was running out of ink, so they're all like blue and yellow, but I thought it was kind of cool looking. And then this is a phone stand that my boyfriend welded for me that I use when we FaceTime. I have a little terracotta pot and then a little thing that fills up my diffuser. Don't know why that's there. Okay, so this is my first nightstand. This candle is from Francesca's, and then I have my little charging pad for my phone, and then this lamp and the other lamp, they're the same lamp. They are from Target. This drawer, I just have some lotion and my vitamins, and then down here I just have a picture of me and my boyfriend from prom. Okay, so this is my bed. The bed frame is from IKEA. The little lights are from Amazon. My duvet cover and these pillows that go with it are from IKEA, and then the lavender pillows are from another bed set that I got from Ross. And then if you come over here, this is my other nightstand, and like I said earlier, the nightstands are from IKEA. This is from Target. This has like my boyfriend's stuff in it, so I'm not gonna go in that. And then that is just a picture of us from prom. And then this is the last thing you see in my room. It's like right when you walk in, and it's just a little basket. It has my knitting project in it for right now. And then this wall is all of my closets and drawers. I'm not gonna go in depth in that. If you wanna see something like that, you can go watch my last room tour. It's like really bad, but it's like a while ago. Basically, this side is just my winter shoes, winter clothes, and then this is spring and summer clothes and spring and summer shoes and all my spring and summer stuff over here. So this is like the spring and summer side, and this is the winter and fall side. So that is it for my room tour. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have not yet seen my room makeover video, it is my last video on my channel, and I'll also be linking it in the description box of this video. So I think that's about it. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
What a wonderful
What do you call this? Like a felt